The discovery of the geoid low or the gravity hole in the Indian Ocean may be pointing fingers at other civilizations deep inside the earth, other oceans or the early planetary stage of earth. Now, unfortunately, the gravity hole or the IOGL, the Indian Ocean Geoid Low, is an area where no man-made vehicle can possibly explore inside because of the huge water pressure which will instantly decimate any man-made vehicle. So though we know huge mysteries are hidden in the gravity hole, there's no way we can explore it because man-made vessels, none of the submarines or exploratory capsules have the capacity to withstand the water pressure in the gravity hole, which is estimated to be 2 lakh square kilometers in area and 600 miles deep. You heard it right, 600 miles deep. See, this kind of depth is impossible for any man-made vehicle to explore. So exploring the IOGL is out of question with anything which is man-made at the present state of technology. Maybe in future we may have metal or composites which can resist this kind of water pressure. 600 miles from the bottom of the Indian Ocean. You can imagine what will be the water pressure. Unthinkable. So we can only hope for some kind of research vessel which can explore the gravity hole or IOGL in Indian Ocean, which will open our eyes to a whole new world of understanding of planet Earth. Thank you very much.